Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this tech tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can make texts in your presentations and slides on LibreOffice Impress transparent. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you'd like to apply an opacity or transparent effect to text, you can do this here on LibreOffice as well as for images and photos. So what you want to do is, but it works a little bit different than with images and photos. What you need to do is navigate to your slide with the given text, for example, from a text box or numbered list or the title, heading, and so on and so forth. Let me highlight that example text here. After that, right click and select character or use the shortcut Alt-C. And here navigate to the font effects tab to the left. And here at the top you will see the font color. Now if you click into the font color, you won't see any transparent button here, so we can close that menu and instead use the transparency slider here to the right to adjust the transparency. So if I make the text transparent, let's say to 50 or 60% and click into OK, it will look like this. Well, it's almost, so it's barely visible. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.